Welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing the topic indoor games versus outdoor games. But first we'll have to know what are indoor games and what are outdoor games. Indoor games are games which require very less area and can be played inside the house. For example, chess, ludo, monopoly, etc. Outdoor games are games which do require a lot of area and cannot be played inside our houses. For example, cricket, badminton, football, etc. There are some advantages and some disadvantages for both, and we will be looking at them in our video today. We will first discuss the advantages and disadvantages of outdoor games. The advantages of outdoor games are: first of all, outdoor games require both physical and mental exercise, which is good for the body. Secondly, usually in outdoor games, more than two people are involved, either as players or as spectators, which encourages socialization, which is good for personality development. Next, people stay healthy if they play outside as it increases physical fitness and reduces the chances to get diseases. Now we will be discussing the disadvantages of outdoor games. First of all, outdoor games are only an option when the weather outside is good. Outdoor games can't be played in monsoon season in India. Secondly, there is a chance to get injured while playing outside, which is also a disadvantage. Next, playing outside requires space, which nowadays is not available to many city dwelling people. Now, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of indoor games. The advantages of indoor games are that, first of all, generally they aren't affected by the weather, which means we can play we can play them whenever we want. Secondly, indoor games require a lot of strategy, which is good for the brain. Next, playing indoor games doesn't require a lot of time and energy, which means anybody can play them. The disadvantages of indoor games are that, first of all, many indoor games such as Ludo or Snake and Ladders uh, do not require any physical or mental activity and are totally based on luck, which means they don't really benefit your body in any way. Secondly, video games can be played in a small area, so they are considered indoor games and they don't really provide any benefits to us and are also damaging the health of our bodies too. Next, almost no indoor games provide physical fitness. So, till now, we have found out that a balance of both indoor games and outdoor games is good, as both have benefits and uh, disadvantages. So, we should play both of them in a balanced amount. Thanks for watching.